Good morning class. This is your another practical regarding the comparison of capacitance and verify the law of addition for capacitors. So in this case we will verify the laws of addition for capacitor. Obviously capacitor we use to charge. So for the charging of a capacitor we use a battery. So that is why I have connected here V terminal along with the 3 capacitors. So to study the variation and addition of such capacitors, we must have number of capacitors. So in this case I am having a breadboard, 3 capacitors which are of different capacity and a multimeter. So multimeter will tell us that what is the capacitance of that capacitor. So along with that I am having 2 kinds of different arrangements. One is for series and another is for parallel. That I will show you in the circuit diagram also. Okay. So here first diagram is for on the left hand side, that is for the series, and on the right hand side is for the parallel. So beta here I am having this capacitor, okay, and this is multimeter, and with the help of multimeter I can calculate the capacitance, and this terminal of 2 terminals of capacitance I am going to join at this end. So this is the capacitance value. So it is of 0.13 nanofarad. Nano is for the this range. This is for the nano. Okay. So 0.14 nanofarad is capacitance of this capacitor. Okay. Similarly, I can calculate second one capacitor's capacitance by connecting at this terminal. So this is 0.23. Okay. And similarly, third one capacitance is of this. Now I am connecting at this point. So the value is 0.17. So 3 values are there, 0.13, 0.25 and 0.17. And this is the breadboard where I will just put these capacitance in series and in parallel mode. Okay. Now if I connect these 2 terminals at this point, okay, and second one on that end where the first one end is, so this is the second arrangement, okay, and the third one I am going to connect at that point where second end is like this one. So this is how we can connect it in the series order, okay, where one end of capacitor is there and another end join. So similarly second one and third one. So this is how I can connect it in series order. Okay, and the formulas are there for the series and parallel one, and second one arrangement is of the parallel one. So this is how first capacitance we can connect, second capacitance, this is second capacitance, okay, and third one is at this point. So this is how I can connect 3 capacitors like this. Okay. So this is the order of the capacitance in parallel. So here are the calculations for capacitor in series and parallel. So for that I have calculated the capacitance of first capacitor, that is C1, and with the help of multimeter we can calculate the C1 value, that was 0.13 nanofarad. Okay. Second one is the C2 capacitor which was of 0.25 nanofarad, and C3 is the third capacitor which is having capacitance of 0.18 nanofarad. So this is how we can calculate the values of capacitance with the help of multimeter, and those values I can calculate with the help of those calculations. I can calculate CS and CP, means capacitance in series order and capacitance in parallel order. So for series I am having 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Similarly for CP, means capacitance in parallel, I am having C1 plus C2 plus C3. So by addition of these capacitance I can easily calculate the capacitance for parallel mode and for series mode. So this is the practical for the law of addition and verification of the capacitance. Thank you class.